So this lesson is about box and whisker plots. And a box and whisker plot, it basically looks like this. And as you can see, hopefully, you have a box here, quite a big box, and it has some whiskers to the side of it. Now, to draw a box and whisker plot, we need some numbers of our data, some statistics. And we typically need the 5-number summary. Now, the 5-number summary is a set of 5 values that tell us important information about the data. The values are the lower extreme, so that's the lowest value of your data, the upper extreme, so that's the highest value of your data, then the lower quartile, which is the median of the lower half of your data, the median itself, which is halfway your data, and the upper quartile, which is also a median, but it's the median of the upper half of your data. Now, where do these values go? Well, you'll be able to see the lower extreme is that data point there. It has a certain value. The upper extreme is that one there. The quartiles, the lower quartile is that value. The upper quartile is that value. And the median is that value. Now let's look at an example. Write a 5-number summary for the following data and draw a box and whisker plot. Well, in order to get a 5-number summary, I will need to organize this data in ascending order, so from smallest to largest. And I've already done that here. There it is. So this is the same data organized in ascending order. Smallest is here, highest is there. And I can immediately see that the lowest value is 19 and the highest value is 34. So I already have 2 of my 5 values. Now I just need the median, and I need the upper quartile, that's quartile 3, and I need the lower quartile, quartile 1. Let's go for the median. The median is, you know how to find the median. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 data points. So I'll organize them in a lots of 7. 2 lots of 7. So 27 and 28 form the middle 2 values, hence the median is 27 and a half. It's right in the middle between 27 and 28. The lower quartile, Q1, only looks at the lower half of your data, so only at this bit here. I've got 7 values there. The middle value is this one here. See, 1, 2, 3, the middle one, 1, 2, 3. So Q1 is 24. Q3 is that 30 there. 1, 2, 3, Q3, 1, 2, 3. Now I can draw the box plot, and the box plot goes on top of a piece of number line. Number line as you know it, and the number line I need goes only from around 19, a bit lower than 19 because I have the lower value, up to around 34. And I can just put those values in. The lower value is 19, so that would be here. I'm going to put a dot there because that's the end of a whisker. The highest value is 34. Another dot goes there because that's the end of the other whisker. Then the box is between Q1 and Q3, so 24 and 30. 24 is here, so this is where the box starts. This is where the box ends. So there's the box. You can clean that up a bit. And the median is inside the box, 27 and a half. So 26, 27, 27 and a half is there. That's where I draw the median. I connect the whiskers, and there's my box plot. Now if you have a ruler, you can do a slightly better job, obviously, because you can make nice shapes like that. But I won't be bothered. Another example goes from a stem and leaf plot. Oh, don't need that one. Now this stem and leaf plot here, it looks like a nice stem and leaf plot, but this stem and leaf plot is not ordered from small to large. It looks like it. You know, you get 26, 29, and then 32, 36, 37, 38. So far so good. But then it's 42, and after 42 comes 41, which is lower. So this stem and leaf plot is it will not do the trick. So we'll have to order this stem and leaf plot first. So I'm going to redo it. 2, 3, 4, 5 is the stem, and the leaves are 6 and 9. 2, 6, 7, 8, but then 0, 1, 2, 2, 9. And the last one is 2, 5. So now it's in ascending order. I can easily see that my lowest data value, the minimum data value, is 26. The maximum data value is 55. The median, what is the median? Well, I can use this little technique. You just cross them off from either side. Let's go. So 26 against the highest one. The next one against that one. The next one against that one. A bit higher, a bit lower, a bit higher, a bit lower, a bit higher, a bit lower. This must be the one in the middle. 40 is the middle one. So now I know that 40 is the middle one. I also know that the lower half goes from 26 up to 38. So if I do my trick there, 26 against 38, 29 against 37. These two are in the middle, 32 and 36. So for Q1, it is 32 plus 36 over 2, the average of 32 and 36, which is 34. For the third quartile, I need to do the same thing with the upper half of the data, starting with 41 up to 55. The middle two values there are 42 and 49. 42 plus 49 over 2 makes 45 and a half. So Q1 was 32 and 36. Q3 was 42 and 49. It's a bit of a mess now here, but I hope you were able to follow that. So then the next step, I've got my 5-number summary. The next step is draw the box plot. So first you need a number line from around 26 to around 55. Well, this one is 25 to 60, so that's fine. I put the values in. The minimum is 26, so is it 25? So 26 is around here. The box starts at 34, so that would be around here. The median is 40. Q3 is 45 and a half, so it's right there. And the maximum is 55. That's where the whisker ends. Complete the box. Put in the whiskers. And there it is, the box and whisker plot.